Alright, welcome to this awesome video by me, Matt Thomas, called The Science of Norwex. Now, I've created these because I've gotten a lot of questions about how the Norwex cloths work, and a lot of questions, some really interesting ones and some really confusing ones, but I'm going to make this video series to help shed some light on that. Now, each video, hopefully I can make it under 10 minutes each, but I'm going to be making a lot of them because there's a lot of information to cover. So, here's the first video. This is an introduction video of what is microfiber and how it works. So what this video series is actually going to cover is all of this. What is microfiber, how it works, the requirements for microfiber and cleaning cloths, the tests that Norwex has done, swab tests, why they are important, backlock and the oligodynamic effect, particle sizes, and the role in infections, enzyme cleaners, bacteria and other pathogens, EPA testing and their results, and then also masks, because I get a lot of question about masks during this time. Okay, so EPA testing and results. The reason why that one is so important is because they test against industry standard microfiber cloths, and the results they get covers anyone who follows that industry standard. Luckily, Norwex follows the industry standard. Actually, they follow it a little bit better than most companies. Okay, bacteria and other pathogens, yes, I'm going to cover that. There's a lot of information. A lot of people ask me the differences between bacteria and viruses and how Norwex works with all that. And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to tell you the answers, and you probably didn't realize this. And didn't realize what I'm going to actually say to you, so hopefully it'll make sense and you'll be able to use it to answer the questions when people ask, well, what about viruses? So I'm going to tell you all about viruses, and I'm going to tell you how Norwex falls into what category and how it falls into that category. Okay, so that is what this series is going to cover. Alright, a little bit about me. I have a degree in medical and aerospace engineering. I have a minor in math, drafting, and materials. Materials is stuff such as metals, ceramics, some textiles, polymers, and since microfiber is a polymer, I know a lot about it. I also have a degree in network engineering and cybersecurity. I worked for the Department of Defense in cybersecurity, and after about 10 years of that, I decided it wasn't what I wanted, so I went back to school in medical and aerospace. Luckily, I had only been out of high school for 10 years at that point because I got my degree in network engineering when I was in high school, and it was not what I liked. But anyways, so what to expect from these series? Pictures, science, and me explaining the science. The science is going to be sound science. It's straight from industry standards. It's straight from accredited college textbooks. These are the same ones that every single engineer and medical professional and doctor follows and uses. There's no University of YouTube. There's no Facebook information in this. This is straight from the source and top medical schools in the nation. Okay, what not to expect. Fancy videos, bad science, and Bill Nye. Sorry guys, Bill Nye had an awesome budget. I don't have a budget. So, engineering and medical school is not cheap, so I have to do the best I can, which is usually PowerPoints with pictures, and then I explain the science, and I try to make it as not dry as possible. Okay, so today's video, I'm going to be discussing what is microfiber, how is it made, and what are the requirements to be considered microfiber. Also, its roles in the hospitals and medical field. However, I'm going to stop this video here, and then I'm going to make the next video, and this is where we're going to leave off of for the next video, is these topics. So I just wanted to do a quick introduction and kind of give a brief bio about me. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.